Well, hello, everybody. It's been a bit, but I know several of you have been anxiously waiting for your opportunity to continue to work on things I couldn't give you access to before. And so what I wanted to talk about right now was access to your Albert, all right? Now that I look at this, I actually might have to change this. Albert is a software that we use to give you an opportunity to do review and practice within the subjects, right? So like our subject uses the AP Biology practice here. I like it because it is different questions than what you find on the AP Classroom, but it's still practice for the AP exam. I also like it because it allows me to offer you explanations after each question. So I want to explain a little bit about this. For starters, if you go to your class assignments, it is in here. Underneath the evolution section, I have put a direct link to the Albert. Underneath the ecology section, I have put a direct link to the Albert. So if you're not sure where to go, you can always go to those links. In the Albert itself, it is drawing the students directly from Google Classroom. So that means that if you haven't accepted your invitation to Google Classroom, you can't get on the Albert. It also means that, well, this has nothing to do with Google Classroom, but Albert is set up by the school to only use your school email. So you can't access Albert using anything but your school email. And you will most likely have to use the Clever login. Like you won't be able to just sign in with Google. The school is set up to not allow that. But if you use your RDG student account, it will let you get in here. And the Clever that lets you log into your email should also let you log into this. If you have issues, let me know. Currently, there are 2 assignments in there. Those assignments are 15 questions each. They're randomly selected multiple choice questions to practice for the AP that are from the topics you are covering in the 2 different summer assignments. Alberts will be part of every assignment. Every unit, every section that we do, you'll have an Albert assigned that covers the topics that we're learning about. Sorry. The thing about your Albert is it's going to be worth 5 points on your grade, but I'm not going to grade it based upon exactly how many you get correct. When you are done, Albert gives me 5 categories for your score, one of which is you didn't do it. Another one is you didn't do great. The next one is you did okay. The next one is you did well, and the last one is you did awesome. So basically, from those 5 categories is where I will get your points. It color codes your score for me. Since none of you have done it, I can't actually show you the score right now. But when I see your score, if you have the highest color, which is blue, then I'll give you 5 out of 5. If you have the next color, which is green, I'll give you 4 out of 5. If you have the next color, which is yellow, I'll give you 3 out of 5. If you have the next color, which is red, I'll give you 2 out of 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, yep. And then if you didn't do it, I'll give you 0, okay? So I want you to take it seriously, but you don't have to think about it like a quiz, okay? So yeah, that's another section that's up, ready for you to go.